So basically, what you want to come out with is this right here. Everything nice and flush. Let me try to zoom in on that. All your valves lining up right. Everything's nice and flush after you do the torque sequence and then get them to their final torque. So you shouldn't have no type of binding anywhere. If you do, it ain't right. So I had to put that in there. And okay, let me talk about this for a second. The problem with this whole situation is you can hear that pretty much. That's your knob. These things wear out till this one loop. This one won't move at all. So that's pretty much what the problem be. After so many miles on this 3.5s, that's what they do. So throw that in there. That'll help out. But let me see if I can get a better shot of these valves. I want y'all to really see. If you can see through the supposed to sit nice and flush. All right. On with just reversing the process. First, the whole procedure. Get my intake gasket, valve cover gaskets, and get everything back on. EGR, gasket, and I check back with y'all.